Yo guys, so I got seaweed. Dai! I got seaweed and let's taste it. Dai! Salty. Let's check in the salt. I don't know why.
Sikuan naman may eskwela dito. Katong anak ni Maya.
Tuloy pa rin natin ang party kayo ni Bossing. Dahil dyan lang kayo. Uwi na kami. Hindi, magpapalik pa. Pasok pa. Magbabalik.
How sound so sweet.
Hula na!
Lack of 12 nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus.
You guys,
Versus regular milk.
I don't know why it's salty.
And 1.5 times
Don't know why it's salty. Nah, I'm
Whatever
done.
best decision in life, without a question.
This is it. I found this in the Philippines.
Ever best moment
Maybe it's in Korea.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Ever best from
Oh,
Everest.
ito pa daw.
Gabi daw nangabot. Wala mo na muli yun. Dugay pa kayo.
Kong. Hi guys. Wait. Si Camille, tatat biliaryo. Natulog pa.